Yeah, definitely. So I think what I would like tell anyone is like I would go get started as a Quora user. What we're finding is our best advertisers are really the people that are also Quora users.
Yeah.
They understand like what the community is looking for. They understand how to target, right? So I'll walk you through some of our targeting options that are like really robust for a 2-year-old platform. We have like 10 different types of targeting. So I'll try to do it quickly.
Yeah.
There's like 4 main buckets. So one bucket is called contextual advertising. If you've done Google ads, you'll understand contextual. And that means you can target a specific question. You can target keywords. So keywords looks at all of the keywords in a question.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So you can target questions at scale. And then questions are all rolled up into topics. And so you can also target topics. So if you're out there and you're like wanting to target startup founders, well, you can target startup founders, right? So for example, we have a topic called startup founders and entrepreneurs. It has 1.7 million people, right?
Wow. Yeah.
And that's pretty good. I mean, that's not a small number, right?
Yes.
And so that is an example of how you could target contextually. When people are reading these types of questions, they can see your ad. You also have interest-based, not, if anyone's done Facebook ads, this is what that's going to feel like. And so it's going to target people that have expressed interest in startup, founder, entrepreneur, SMB, that kind of stuff, right? So, and then we have some retargeting options. So we have a pixel, Quora pixel. You can also do question and keyword retargeting. So I can target anyone who has seen an answer in like the last 30 days. And now I can like almost like build a funnel. So I know you saw this. So maybe you're promoting an answer. They didn't take the action that I wanted. I can now retarget them and then with a little bit stronger of an offer and maybe a little bit stronger in my messaging